Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamicia Caprivi, nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Guys, today I normally don't do reviews that much, but I am going to do one on this product that I think is amazing. I've got some dry skin, and I want to talk to you guys about it. So this is an awesome product. So if you're interested in this product, stay tuned. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamicia Caprivi, nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. So today I am going to do a review, but let me just tell you a little bit of story. So this winter has been brutal on my skin because it has gotten to the point where my normal moisturizer just doesn't moisturize my skin. And I drink a lot of water, you guys. And I was like, well, maybe it's the estrogen level. Maybe because my estrogen level is going down, I don't know. But my skin didn't feel as soft as I needed to be. So I was like, okay. And I even used like butters on my skin, and my skin was just soaking it up. It was not pretty. And then I would take my clothes off and I would just be like an ash, like somebody just threw flour on me. I'm like, no, that's not cute at all. So I said, okay, I am going to go to get some type of scrub or something for my body. And I have used them in the past, and I know that this will be helpful, right? So I went to Bath and Body Works, and I was looking for, like the sugar scrub, or actually they used to be salt scrubs. Then they were sugar scrubs with the oil that sits up on top and whatnot. I was like, okay, let me get that. Well, they had a new product, y'all. They have this product called Pumice. I'm going to show it to you. Let's see. Can y'all see that? Okay, so this is the orange and ginger pumice. Let me tell you something. This stuff is so amazing. It is so good. But let me tell you what I did. The first day I did it in the shower, and I felt like that was like, it just kept coming off like my, I don't know. It was weird. It didn't work for me. And I'm going to show you guys the consistency is kind of like a little, oh, I did not mean to do that. It's like a little bit of like a pudding or like a jelly. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that, but I did good. I saved it. Yeah. Anyway, so it's like, it's got a good consistency. It's not like the other one where the oil sits and you have to stir it up and make sure you have a good consistency. It's not like that. But when you put it on in the shower, it's so much like pudding, as you can see what I just did there. I should have got a spoon so you guys could kind of see that a little bit better. But anyway, it just kind of dissolves in there. So I could see, I could get it on there pretty good, and then it would just wash right off, right? So that was the first time. And then I noticed that my skin felt really good even after that application, but it wasn't to where I wanted it, right? I knew it could get better. More is not always better, but in this case, I was like, I know it can get better. So I thought about it. I was like, okay, that was a little bit messy in the shower the way you did that. So I was like, well, what I'll do, right? I will stand on a towel, and I will turn the shower on, get the shower nice and hot, take the pumice and rub it all over my body, like rub it in, dry, like a dry rub, right? That's what was happening. So rub it all over my body. The places like my legs and my calves and my lower shins and legs and stuff like that, where I wanted to get it, right? So I did that. I stood there. I got everywhere I wanted it to get, the bottom of my feet, all that good stuff on a towel, y'all, because it can get just a little bit messy, although it didn't get crazy messy for me. But in the shower, it was messier. So I just was like, hey, I want to maximize as much of this as possible. So when the shower was getting hot, I just put it all over, y'all. I just got it all over my body. and put it all over my body. And then when I got in the shower, I got my loofah that I use. And then I just went over that. And it sounds like it may be a little abrasive, but it really was not. It really was not. It was good, y'all. So try that. It was really good. So then after that, I rinsed everything off. So I did not put on the pumice in the shower. I put it on outside of the shower. Then I got in the shower. Okay. And that to me maximized this pumice, the way that this is, the consistency and everything. And when I tell you, y'all, the smell of this orange ginger, oh, it's so nice. It wakes you up. It's just like a burst of energy that you get when you use it. It's not like the sleep. It's not like the lavender where that just chills you out and makes you want to go to bed. So I tried it at night and I tried it in the morning to see which was best. At night, the smell was really nice and strong and it was giving me energy. So it was not promoting sleep, which is okay. It wasn't too crazy, right? I was still able to get to sleep with my weighted blanket, which I love. So anyway, so back to this. So yes, it worked out really, really well. So after I got out of the shower, I went on and just put on my regular lotion, whatever and whatnot. And then the next morning, because lately the next morning, my skin was looking dry. So after this last application, the next morning, I was all moist and I was smooth like a baby's butt. It is so good. Just follow the directions as far as how often to use it, because I think you don't want to overuse it, but I did use it like 3 days in a row. So that part. Anyway, it turned out good. So I love it. I recommend it. The smell's amazing. It went really well with my, it went really, really well with my cologne and whatnot that I used for the day. It was perfect. It wasn't, the pumice part is not as gritty and abrasive as the salt scrub and the sugar scrub. The salt and sugar scrub is much more abrasive than the pumice. The pumice has really small grains. It's got really small grains. And I will show you guys that in a picture that I take so you guys can see that. I think I'm going to place it up there so you guys can see the consistency. And then I'll do like a little bit of a demonstration on my hand so you guys can see that too. And as far as the lathering of this, it doesn't lather up like a lot of suds, but it does lather a little bit. It's not a lot, but it's got enough to give you some lather. You don't necessarily have to use an additional liquid soap or anything like that. That's just me. I'm just extra like that, you know. So that's it. I personally recommend the pumice over the sugar scrub or the salt scrub or whatever they have, because that oil, it leaves my shower too much residue, too much oil, too much slip, too much possibility for any type of accident in the shower, y'all. I'm not promoting that at all. We want to avoid falls at all costs at any age. So yeah, so the pumice, less oily stickiness in the shower. Do it outside of the shower while your shower is getting nice and hot, and it leaves your skin so freaking amazing. I used it from here down. Okay? Anyway, yep, that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you guys have used it. Try it. It's amazing. I don't have a link to it. I'm not going to put a link to it because I'm not, you know, affiliated with it in any type of way, but I still like the product and I recommend it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye now.